1, 2, 3.
Okay, we're going to build a chicken coop because our other chicken coop isn't quite adequate. And we're going to do this as cheaply as possible using these pallets. We're going to fasten them here on these 2x4s, screw them together. Going to be maybe 2, maybe 3 pallets tall, 2 pallets wide, 3 pallets long. And we'll throw 2x4 rafters up, and most likely, instead of decking it, we're going to use pallets, recycle them, take them apart. The 1x4 slats on the pallets will go as nailers on the rafters. We have a swimming pool liner, maybe a 15 by 20, 5-foot deep swimming pool liner that we're going to drape over those pallets, and that'll be the roof. And for solidity, to make it nice and solid, we'll most likely cut and harvest cedar. We have a lot of cedar out here, and maybe some locust. Locust would be good hardwood, and I'm thinking cedar poles in the corners, cedar poles on the chicken run, which would be outside of the actual coop. And it's going to be basically a recycled pallet log cabin chicken coop, and be multiple videos.
Oh, we're also going to be doing automatic feeders, water
Yes,
collection, automatic waterer,
water collection, absolutely.
building chicken boxes, nesting boxes,
Yeah, gonna have
roost,
I'm thinking
and activities
one
for
or 2 nesting boxes on either side. For how many chickens you think?
Well, we have 15 now, and I'd like to double that.
So 22 dozen to 30 chickens.
Yeah.
Just one rooster.
Yeah.
You don't want more than one rooster.
Nope.
Because
Lots of fighting.
They'll start fighting. So yeah. So like 24 to 30 chickens, hens, laying hens. I prefer the Buff Orpington. A lot of people like the Rhode Island Red, but the Buff Orpington is a bigger bird, so it's a good egg layer and meat bird. So.
And even though we didn't get very many, we still had eggs over the winter.
Yes, we did.
Unless it was negative degrees.
Okay, for the negative temperatures that we get here in Missouri. See how we have a big 4-inch pocket here. One of our good friends has wool sheep, and she has a lot of wool. We'll do a guest spot with her later, and we're going to stuff this with wool, so it'll be natural insulation. And 4 inches of wool is going to be
massively warm.
Yeah, that'll be really, really warm, like incredibly warm.
If it works well enough, we could put a brooder in the building.
Yes, we could.
And then we don't even have to deal with them in the house, the odor.
Because the power off the old garage would be long enough. It's going to be close enough to that garage that we can get that power over here. So we can have power here if we need it. So
mainly for waterers in the winter, the free hanging
waterers, and we might just build a brooder right into it.
Yeah.
But this would give us a place. We should always have straw in here, so the chicken manure, we can clean it out, harvest all of that straw and chicken manure, and it's going to go right into the raised beds, right into flower beds. We can mulch off the comfrey with it. Like after we harvest comfrey for the fertilizer, after we harvest the comfrey, we can just bury the plant in straw and chicken manure, because comfrey loves nitrogen, and it'll come back so prolific. We'll be able to harvest our comfrey 3 times a year easily.
So our number one goal with this is to see if we can do it for a zero budget. That's the ultimate goal. We know we're going to have to pay something.
Yeah.
But we're going to see
buy
how
screws.
cheap we can be.
Yeah. Yeah. Food has become so outrageously expensive, you can barely afford to eat anymore. So we already have some chickens. We're going to hatch some more, and we're going to build a chicken coop out of
whatever we can
nothing.
scrounge.
Out of trees that are growing, a pool liner that we already have, and pallets that we had to go get the pallets. So we're out a little gas money and a 2 days labor. We had a lot of pallets.
Oh yeah, because there's more
These
over
are
by the
pallets
garden
these are the
for
pallets
raised
that
beds.
the raised beds are made out of. So we've already gotten one use out of them. The raised beds is another video. You can look that one up.
And I'm wanting to do these on the outside run also at the bottom.
Oh, to keep the coons out. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, and I think it would make it a lot easier if we did that to keep chicks in, because they won't jump for quite a while.
Coons will grab them. Coons will grab chicks through the bottom.
Yeah, and they'll rip heads off of chickens.
Yeah.
They're just nasty
Yeah,
mean.
they'll eat them right through the wire. Coons. But we have a security system for coons.
Oh yes, we'll have to feature her in a video.
Sasha the Terrible.
Her name actually means Great Defender.
And
Wasn't it Great Defender?
I
Or
think so. Coyotes do not mess with her at all. She got in a bit of a scuffle with them last spring as a pup, and they haven't been back.
she's a good girl.
Oh, she's straight up MMA professional coyote kicker. Yeah.
All right, is that it for this video?
Yep.
Well, you'll have to take down that crazy limb that the wind knocked down.
Yeah.
The weather's been bad up for a while around here. All right, that's it.